Farmer is an artist working in Canada, Vancouver, and with this particular project he was very interested in a kind of a picture that he found in his family's history. His grandfather had been killed shortly after an accident. His truck was filled with 2x4s lumbers, and it collided with a train. Shortly after 3 months, Geoffrey's grandfather died, and this created a kind of trauma for the family. Geoffrey has worked with photographs repeatedly, again and again, and many, many images at one time. And I think he wanted to stop this picture, this old black and white picture that told the family story, and he wanted to register the trauma and the emotion in it. And when he started his project for Venice, he really had the idea that he might do a fountain. And as he started to think about fountains, he thought about a fountain that he really loved in the courtyard of the San Francisco Art Institute. And as well, another fountain, one of his other favorite fountains, is the Washington Square Park. So he brought these two fountains together, he collaged them with the lumbers, the timbers of this accident. We've opened up the pavilion. As we were working eventually in the first kind of iteration, the San Francisco Art Institute fountain was supposed to be placed outside, and as we were working, we realized we had to bring it inside. I think this openness in some ways was very interesting to me as a curator, because as we were thinking about this, I was thinking, it's very strange. You come to one of the most beautifully situated gardens in the world, beautiful trees, beautiful buildings. What do you do here? You open a door and you go inside, generally to a dark space, or maybe some kind of space that's enclosed, and actually you're out here in a beautiful garden. So why not open the building outward to the Giardini, to Venice, to the city of Venice, but to the world. The world comes here, and we want to welcome them.